Good morning, student. How are you all? I believe all of you are keeping well at home. So today we are going to read a new chapter called A Trip to Mars. Now, what is Mars? Mars, everyone knows, it is a planet. Okay, so this is a story of an astronaut, okay, whose name is Captain Jaina. She goes to where? She goes to the planet called Mars, and she discovers many things. That's what we are going to read in this chapter. Okay, now let's begin. A trip to Mars. The story is about an astronaut named Captain Jaina. She is the captain of a spacecraft which flies into outer space. What is that spacecraft here? Spacecraft is something or a vehicle that goes to the outer space. Outer space means in the universe. Here we will read how she travels to the planet Mars alone and what she does over there. So we are going to read as she goes to the Mars, okay, and what she does over there. We are gonna read it. Captain Jaina had gone into outer space several times in a spacecraft with other astronauts and scientists. So Captain Jaina, she did not go first time to the space means in the universe, or maybe to any certain planet. She went many a times, several times, okay, with the other astronauts and scientists. But this time it was different. This time she was going to fly a spacecraft to Mars alone. But this time she was going alone to the Mars. She wanted to explore it. Okay, explore means to discover and see and know a lot of different things about the planet. Okay, so why did she go there? In order to know what is there. Okay, she also wanted to collect rocks and soil from there and bring them back to earth for the scientists to study them. Okay, why did she go over there to the planet Mars? To bring rocks and soil so that scientists may study that rock and soil, and of course make some conclusion as how to live in the planet called Mars. After a lot of discussion with other astronauts and scientists, Captain Jaina set off means went on her journey to Mars a few days later. A small robot called Curio accompanied her on her trip. So she did not go all alone, but she went with a robot called Curio to help her on Mars. As she moved further into space, Captain Jaina watched the earth getting smaller and smaller. So when you go away from the earth and go to another planet, or you go to space, you will see that the earth is becoming small and small as you make a distance from it. She noticed the stars in the sky and thought about the planets that go around the sun. So as she was going, she was noticing how the stars are moving around the sun. After many days, the spacecraft finally reached Mars. So finally she reached to the planet Mars. It took a long time for them to reach Mars since it was so far from Earth. So it took lot of time, okay, long time to reach to the Mars, okay, from the Earth. We read this first page and finish it off, and tomorrow I will be reading further this lesson for you in order to understand. Hope you understood this video. Thank you.